The earlier order that was dated for 15th of December 2017 had extended the deadline for Aadhaar till the Supreme Court delivered a verdict actually. But now the information is that, in fact, it's not going to be mandatory and you don't have to do it till the 31st because the deadline has been increased and extended. To what it has been increased, that we're not clear about so far. But we should be able to get our reporter to tell us more about that in just a bit. Vaidyanathan, sir, what's the information that you have for us?
The first information is basically this Aadhaar deadline, which was there up to 30th of March. Now it has been extended till further orders by the Supreme Court itself. Supreme Court said this deadline, as per this December order, they extended up to 31st of March. Now Supreme Court today said it will extend till further orders, which basically meaning is right now this 5-judge constitution bench is hearing the validity of Aadhaar scheme. Till the Supreme Court delivers the judgment, this Aadhaar is not mandatory for what, for example, banking services and other services. But as far as social welfare schemes are concerned, Aadhaar is a must. As well as Mandrega is concerned, Aadhaar is a must. So, interestingly, today, Brinda Grover, an advocate of the Supreme Court, moved the court saying that the passport come out with a new order saying that Aadhaar is mandatory for applying under the tatkal scheme. So, at the end of the Aadhaar hearing, this was mentioned, and immediately court said that in December itself, last year, the court has said that all the deadline have been extended. It applies to all, including the tatkal also. So, Attorney General, the government told the court saying that in regular passport, Aadhaar is not needed. It can be produced. But on a tatkal scheme where police verification is done later, Aadhaar is a must. So, Supreme Court today said, let's extend all this deadline beyond March till the date the Supreme Court delivers its verdict. So, now, only for the social welfare benefit scheme, Aadhaar is a must. But for other schemes, so Aadhaar is not needed. For example, telephone connections, mobile connections, everything. So Aadhaar is not needed, even for opening bank account. But at the same time, in December, the Supreme Court said you don't need Aadhaar, but you apply for Aadhaar and take that application number while you open an account or telephone connection. So that is a must now.
Okay, interesting. Just to be clear, for example, if I got a message today, which I actually did from my Vodafone mobile actually I got a message saying that 31st of March is the last date for verification if you have an Aadhaar registered mobile number. Does that mean I have to verify it on the 31st of March or I have to wait for the Supreme Court verdict? Just to be clear.
You don't need to verify it now. You have to wait for the Supreme Court final decision. Let me also tell you, the Aadhaar hearing is still continuing. Still, petitioners are arguing. Government is yet to respond. So, it will at least take 10 working days to complete the hearing. So, after the 10 working days, judgment won't be delivered immediately because it's a 5-judge bench. So, judgment may be delivered probably in June, May. We don't know. So, till such time the Supreme Court delivers the judgment, this Aadhaar deadline date has been extended.